Dear viewers, I hope you are all fine. This ultrasound video shows gallbladder mucocele with multiple stones in the neck and body of the gallbladder. You can see the gallbladder, and whole length of the gallbladder is filled with multiple small stones and debris and thick sludge. The gallbladder mucocele distension, which is usually non-inflammatory, results from an outlet obstruction of the gallbladder and is commonly caused by an impacted stone in the neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct. No single laboratory test is diagnostic of gallbladder mucocele. You can say these are the multiple stones seen near the neck of the gallbladder, and the rest of the whole of the gallbladder length is filled with debris, thick sludge, along with these multiple stones. Mucocele of the gallbladder develops due to excessive accumulation of mucus. It may be due to an impacted stone in the gallbladder neck, most commonly, or cystic duct, or decreased gallbladder motility. A grossly distended, thin-walled gallbladder measuring more than 5 cm across the anteroposteriorly, an impacted stone in the infundibulum or neck of the gallbladder or in the cystic duct, and clear fluid content indicates a possible mucocele. As you can see in this video, the gallbladder is distended. The ultrasonographic Murphy sign may be positive. Now, again, you can see when the patient is in the side-on position, the same view is seen. Again, you can see the multiple stones and thick sludge and debris. Ultrasound uses sound waves to produce pictures of the gallbladder and the bile duct. It is used to identify signs of inflammation involving the gallbladder and is very good at showing gallstones. Ultrasound produces pictures of the gallbladder and bile duct. It shows signs of inflammation or indications that there is blockage of the bile flow. Ultrasound is the most common test performed to evaluate gallbladder abnormalities. Now you can see the patient is in the side-on position and multiple stones are again visible. When the gallbladder is inflamed and swollen, it irritates the phrenic nerve. Phrenic nerve stretches from the abdomen through the chest and into the neck. Each time when a person eats fatty meal, it aggravates the nerve and causes rapid pain in the right shoulder blade. The most common symptoms of the gallbladder problem is pain. The pain usually occurs in the mid to upper right section of the abdomen. It can be mild and intermittent or can be quite severe and frequent. In some cases, pain can begin to radiate to other areas of the body, including the back and chest. Again, you can see the multiple stones seen in the neck and the body of the gallbladder. When gallbladder stones are diagnosed, there may be some uncertainty about whether the stones have passed into the bile duct. Gallstones in the bile duct are sometimes seen during an ultrasound scan. If they are not visible, but your test suggests that the bile duct may be affected, you may need an MRI scan or cholangiography. Differential diagnosis can include occult cholelithiasis, choledocholelithiasis, irritable bowel syndrome, Gallbladder problems are diagnosed through various tests, and these may include liver tests, which are blood tests that can show evidence of gallbladder disease, a check of the blood amylase or lipase levels to look for inflammation of the pancreas. Symptoms of chronic gallbladder disease include complaints of gas, nausea, and abdominal discomfort after meals, and chronic diarrhea. Stones lodged in the common bile duct can cause symptoms that are similar to those produced by stones that lodge in the gallbladder, but they may cause jaundice. You can find some important information in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. If you do like this video, please click the like button. Thanks.